Hey guys, welcome. My name is Hessam. I'm here with Wilson Leon Real Estate Associates, and today we are at 55 Windcrest Lane here in South San Francisco. This is our beautiful new listing here in Terrabay, which is a private tiny community right off of Oyster Point, just a few minutes away from the 101. Local amenities include SFO, which is a 5-minute Uber ride, as well as you can take Hillside up all the way to Daly City and neighboring cities, and you can go south to San Bruno. So this is a very much of a hub next to all the biotech companies down the road, including Genentech. You have YouTube, Google, Facebook, all neighboring companies in the area. So a very predominant area for your next home. We're going to do a brief walkthrough, show you the ins and outs of the property, share some of our thoughts, some of the upgrades that we've done, and go from there. So join me inside. All right, so here we are. This is the entry point of the property. We're gonna take a look. First things first, right here to the left-hand side as you walk in is our first half bath. This is a communal bath for the main floor of the home. That window faces the exterior. And as we come out, you'll be able to see a closet that is accessible to the main floor as well. Perfect for coats, perfect for smaller items that you can store and keep safe, as well as your home security that's also included into this closet. So we'll have you come in, we'll close this door, and then we will take you first into the kitchen. This is our open kitchen here. I'd like to point out that we just put brand new flooring throughout the whole home. Fresh paint, new baseboards, as well as updated recessed lighting with LED bulbs throughout the home. So very open kitchen. As you come in, all stainless steel appliances. The countertops were upgraded years back. You have an open look into the dining area and living area of the home, which we will take a look at in a few minutes. All updated lighting under the cabinets throughout the home with updated handles and fresh paint as well for all cabinetry. The property comes with all the appliances that you see. You have the fridge, you have your dishwasher, microwave, awesome stove, and a really, really cool sink as well. So everything you see comes with the property, been updated, very well maintained, as well as an amazing skylight that takes you directly to the roof and provides awesome natural light. One of the things that I love about this home is the amount of natural light that it gets. Being in South City, depending on where your property is located, the amount of sunlight, natural sunlight can be limited. This home has windows throughout, has additional skylights in the kitchen, in the living area, even the master bathroom that we'll take a look at in a few minutes. But just the ability to see how bright this place is naturally is definitely a positive. So very cool. We're gonna make our way here to our formal dining area. Really cool, a little bar here that attaches you to the kitchen area for guests to potentially sit down, have a drink, entertain, communicate back and forth from the kitchen, as well as a very open dining area that connects to your living area. You have the potential for some potential accessories here in regards to sitting, and then a full-size dining table with 6 or more people that can be able to sit down and enjoy dinner or lunch or whatever it might be. Our second skylight that we see in the property is right here. So awesome natural light that comes in throughout the day that provides you homeowners with some additional light. From there, we will come to the living area. The cool thing I want to mention is how open this is. A lot of floor plans in Terrabay that are currently still in their original state, they have a fireplace here in the middle that creates sort of a barrier between the dining room and the living room. We had this removed, the seller had it removed, years back. That creates that open feel of the property. Otherwise, it would have been a floor-to-ceiling type of fixture that would have blocked and restricted that openness. So that's gone, gives you this big feel. And now we come into the living area. Very spacious, the potential for a full sectional to kind of block off or open, or a few couches, and a full entertainment center as well. So very, very open in regards to the space. The consistency in the flooring throughout, paint, lighting is all consistent, brand new floors, so it's a good touch up for the house. Before we go into the master bedroom, I'd like to show you guys the balcony here on the main floor. This shows you the downstairs backyard as well as the views to South City, which is, you know, southeast of the peninsula, right behind these trees here. So, and we'll make our way downstairs as well. So here is our master bedroom. So very, very open master bedroom. As you can see, full entertainment area here with internet and cable hookups, as well as potential for a mounted TV. This is a queen size bed, can show you potential. You could even have room for a king. Significant space here for maybe a desk with some chairs, potentially some nightstands are also capable without being cramped. So as we tour and come around, I'll take you guys into one of my favorite parts of the home. This is the master bath. So as you come, you have a dual closet that's on both sides, and it takes you into the master bath. So the master bathroom was fully upgraded. You have the new countertops, you have the new lighting, and an amazing stand-in shower with a new glass and new tiles that match with the downstairs bathroom as well as new tiling here, and then your half bath toilet in there. So very spacious bathroom, very inviting and very private. You also have a skylight that brings an additional light into the property, and no one can really have access to this unless you come through the master. So there's a one way and one way out, which creates that sense of privacy that you have. So we're back in the formal living area, and what we're going to do is we're going to make our way downstairs. So we'll come this way. Very important to point out the consistency in flooring as we come downstairs. Everything was upgraded. And the first thing we're going to take a look at is the full bath for the downstairs 2 bedrooms. Upgraded throughout, tiles, the double sinks. And then we'll make our way into the laundry room. So this is a private laundry room with its own door, full-size washer and dryer. These come with the property, as well as some additional storage. And one of the perks of all the Terrabay homes is that they have a underground private storage unit here accessible, which houses your water heater and your furnace, as well as some significant space for additional storage items that can be held down here in private that no one has access to. This door comes locked, there's a key for it, so pretty significant space. As we come out, we will come to our second bedroom in the property. This is number 2 of 3. Very, very big room here in the downstairs. You see this is a full-size bed, but you have the potential for a king here if you wanted to. Lots of space for your entertainment center with a TV, some tables here, some chairs here, potential for a desk in either corner of the room, as well as closet space. Now this is very bright, and this faces the backyard, which we'll be touring here in a second. But this is the second bedroom. And finally, we will come in to the third bedroom of the house, which is a very neutral room. This can be a hybrid potential office, can be a kid's play area, can be a kid's bedroom, can be the guest bedroom. We've staged it in a way to kind of give you some inspiration on how you can use this room. But overall, it is the third bedroom of the property that has a closet and is accessible to the backyard. So here we are in the backyard. Very spacious backyard, very open. You have the upgraded flooring throughout. Enough space for a sitting area, barbecue, and the fire pit also come with the property, with the sale. And some decent space for some landscaping, some plants that you can be able to have here, as well as some tiki lights. And you have the views of South City here. As you look through, you can see the airport, you can see the San Mateo Bridge in the distance from here. And that's pretty much the whole backyard in itself. Let's jet back upstairs and I'll walk you through some of the specs of the home and go from there. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Once again, this is 55 Windcrest Ln in South San Francisco. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, around 1660 square feet. And we're listing it at $1,099,000. There is an HOA involved in the property. It's $519 a month. It includes everything exterior-wise, your roof, the garage, paint color, the house paint color, the upstairs balcony and deck, all the fencing, all the consistency in the concrete outside, landscaping outside, as well as a local security team that kind of helps make sure parking is enforced. And your common areas as well, as far as the Terrabay Gymnasium, all are accessible to all homeowners here. So very healthy HOA. And yeah, that's pretty much what we see here. So we hope you enjoy the tour. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. My name is Hessam. You can call me at 925-325-8647 or email me at hessam@theownteam.com. That's HESSAM @theownteam.com. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you and happy touring.